The vineyards of California stretch like a green patchwork quilt over the state's rolling hills, basking under the warm embrace of the Golden State sun. These vineyards aren't just picturesque, they're the backbone of America's grape industry, producing a staggering 6.1 million tons of grapes each year. This story is a blend of hard work, advanced technology, and a deep connection to the land. Let's dive into the fascinating journey of how grapes are grown, harvested, and transformed into the products we love. The foundation of the vineyard's grape farming in California begins long before the harvest season. From January to February, as winter holds its quiet grip, vineyard workers prepare the land with precision. New vines are planted, each spaced perfectly for optimal growth. Around 900 vines are set per acre, supported by automated irrigation systems designed to provide just the right amount of water. The young vines take about 3 years before bearing their first fruit, during which meticulous care is given to their growth. In these early years, vines are pruned and trained to grow vertically along poles, ensuring that each plant is strong and ready to produce high-quality grapes. Spring awakens the vineyards. By May, the vineyards burst to life, green leaves unfurl, and tiny grape clusters begin to form. This is a critical time for farmers, who must balance sunlight, water, and nutrients to nurture the vines. Advanced technology, including drones and soil sensors, is employed to monitor vineyard health. This ensures that every vine gets exactly what it needs to thrive. As the clusters grow, farmers eagerly anticipate the ripening process. Over the next 70 days, the grapes transform, their sugars intensifying under the summer sun. The air in California's grape-growing regions becomes fragrant with the scent of ripening fruit, signaling that harvest time is near. The harvest season, a race against time. The months from August to October mark the pinnacle of the grape-growing calendar. Harvest season arrives, bringing with it a flurry of activity. The stakes are high, as timing is everything. Picking the grapes too early or too late can affect their quality. Around 95,000 workers are employed during this period, carefully hand-picking grapes from the vines. Hand harvesting is a labor-intensive process, requiring skill and attention to detail. Workers earn about $18 per hour, ensuring only the best grapes make it to market. This method is preferred for table grapes and premium wine varieties, where the condition of each crop is paramount. For larger-scale operations, mechanical harvesters are used. These massive machines can cover vast areas quickly, shaking the vines to release grapes onto conveyor belts. While mechanical harvesting is faster and less costly, it comes with challenges, such as the risk of damaging the grapes or collecting unripe fruit. However, for wine production, where volume is key, these machines are indispensable. The numbers speak volumes. California's vineyards account for 95% of the nation's grape production, making the state the undisputed leader in the industry. The 6.1 million tons of grapes harvested annually fuel a $5.4 billion industry, supporting local economies and creating jobs across the state. From harvest to processing. Once the grapes are picked, their journey continues to processing plants. Here, they are sorted, cleaned, and prepared for their final destination. Table grapes are carefully packaged for sale, while wine grapes embark on a transformative process. At wineries, grapes are destemmed and crushed to release their juice. This juice undergoes fermentation, where yeast converts sugars into alcohol, creating wine. The wine is then aged, often in oak barrels or stainless steel tanks, to develop its flavors. Finally, it is filtered, blended, and bottled, ready to be enjoyed by consumers worldwide. Sustainability in the vineyards. California's grape industry is not just about quantity, it's about quality and sustainability. Farmers have embraced innovative practices to conserve water, reduce waste, and protect the environment. From using solar-powered equipment to adopting drip irrigation systems, the industry is constantly evolving to meet modern challenges. A legacy of hard work and passion. Behind every bottle of wine or bag of grapes lies a story of dedication. From the workers who prune the vines in the cold winter months to the machines that carefully harvest the fruit in the summer, every step in the process is a testament to human ingenuity and the beauty of nature. As we raise a glass of wine or enjoy a handful of fresh grapes, It's worth remembering the journey these fruits have taken. California's vineyards are more than just a source of agricultural wealth, they're a symbol of perseverance, innovation, and a love for the land. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of California grape farming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating agricultural stories. Cheers.